Three Pistols by the Tragically Hip. Well, Tom Thompson came paddling past. I'm pretty sure it was him. And he spoke so softly in accordance to the growing of the dim. He said, bring on a brand new renaissance, because I think I'm ready, yeah. I've been playing it all night long, but my hands are steady, yeah. The Three Pistols came and three people went on their way. Three pistols strong, and three people stand. Well, he found his lonely little love, his bride of the northern woods, and she took me to the opera house, just like he said she would. Well, then she fell from the balcony, Shakespeare's Penteland. Never had much time for me, cause I didn't protest enough. Three pistols came in, three people went on their way. Three pistols strong, three people stand. Come Remembrance Day, laying flowers at his grave. Then she waits in the shadows till after dark, and she sweeps them all away. He said, bring on a brand new renaissance, because I think I'm ready, yeah. I've been shaking